Hey everyone, here's a review and guide on how to get the Moncler look without paying the Moncler price. Some alternatives to the shiny puffer jacket made popular by Moncler. I hope you enjoy. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Men's Lifestyle with Zach Ross. Everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be just reviewing on how to get the Moncler jacket look, sort of that shiny puffer jacket look, without paying the Moncler price. As many of you know who are very fashion forward, Moncler jackets are a luxury designer brand. You will pay top dollar for their sort of well-known premium shiny puffer jacket. And for the most part, some people think that it's not really a great value, right? There are some subtle differences between what I have here and a Moncler jacket, particularly the lining on the inside. It's not down-filled, but for the most part, the outer shell and the inner shell is 100% nylon without the down fitting. The fitting here is going to be sort of a polyester fitting, but it holds up to about 7 degrees Fahrenheit. So whereas Moncler jackets can go further below that. But really, depending on where you're located and how cold it really gets, you may really want the look without worrying about, the temperature differentials here. So this is a Calvin Klein puffer jacket, the shiny polyester shell on the outside. This one has zippers on both sides, which are very nice. You want to make sure that things aren't going to fall out of your pocket, move around a lot, and just secure everything. This one also has pockets on the inside, which you could just slide things in on both sides. This is a hooded jacket, so you can get some warmth on your ears, on your head, if you need to. Just cover yourself up. This one also has the drawstrings to get this as tight as you would like, whatever makes you comfortable. And very nice zipper, a very comfortable zipper on here. So yeah, I mean, if you're looking to get this particular style of look without spending up to $1,000 or more for a Moncler jacket, then I say there's some other alternatives. Particularly this Calvin Klein is a great one because it really looks darn near close. I'll get up here close. It looks pretty close to what you could get with the Moncler. I just kind of paired it here with a Ralph Lauren crested knitted hat here. And just to kind of color match right there. But I mean, if you're looking to get the look, I would particularly look at Calvin Klein, and even Kenneth Cole I've seen has something very similar. These will range about to $100, maybe even less, depending on where you find it. And I just think it's a great bargain for the style that you're looking for. And like I said, it can hold up to about 7 degrees Fahrenheit, this particular jacket, which is pretty warm enough unless it's going to be brutally cold, in which case you probably will wear something different, a more heavier coat than that. So once again, this is how you can get the Moncler jacket look. I also have a black one, so I'm going to show you a black one really quick. But this is how you pretty much could get the look. So hang on a second, let me show you the black one. All right, so here is the black shiny puffer Calvin Klein jacket, which has a very similar Moncler style and look to it. This one is identical, so it has very nice zipper in the front. Got your zipper pockets on the side here. Got pockets on the inside here, big pockets actually, so you can fit quite a few things in there. And it's hooded with the drawstrings, so it gets you a closer look. You know, and this one's nice because it doesn't have sort of the garbage bag look. If you really look at it up close, it gives a nice sheen without being overly shiny. So it gives sort of a very premium look as opposed to some of these other brands that give you a very kind of knockoff, kind of poor quality look. This one's really good quality. I've been rocking it for a while, and just kind of paired it here with a Ralph Lauren crested knitted hat. So that's it. Yeah, if you want to save some money but still get the style, I would recommend going with Calvin Klein. And even, like I said, I've seen Kenneth Cole have something very similar. The quality is very nice. It will hold up. And it will definitely give you the look, and it's actually quite warm. So once again, this is my channel. Do me a favor, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll be uploading a lot more fashion related videos. And once again, thanks for tuning in. This is Men's Lifestyle with Zach Ross. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Men's Lifestyle with Zach Ross.